Now this is what the difference between the replacement gyro rear tires look like when you get them in on the right here. As you can see, it doesn't have anything in it. And on the left, I've already put in the old inner tube from the previous gyro. They've got really nice inner tubes in them. And I've put in 10 pounds of air. And of course, this is for gyro owners, because gyro owners are constantly looking for the rear tires. It's hard to get one that'll fit, so I'm not sure if these are going to fit, but I'm going to give you measurements. Now, these have shoulders on them, these are shoulders right here, which for a lawn tractor, they're made so that you don't tear up the ground. If it was rounded, they'd dig in more. Now, if I were to go and have these siped, or take off a 1/4 inch right here and here, well, actually here, they may fit a little bit better. But I want to show you on the stock, the width of the tire when you get it in. I don't know how close I can get on this, but the actual width of the tire tread itself is about 6 inches, a little over 6 inches. Okay, and these are 15 by 6 by 6. And of course we have a not for highway use on here. That really pissed me off, because I specifically ordered my lawn tractor tires for highway use. So I don't know what their problem is. Now, this is what the wheel looks like after it's inflated. If you look at the black part right here, that much gap is how much the wheel or the tire inflates upwards, or it gets taller. As you can see, this tire is taller right here. It's very important that we have 3 measurements in order to make the gyro work correctly. It has to be 6 inches right here along the tread, along the diameter, to fit the wheel. Okay? Now, it also has to be a little over 15 inches from here, the diameter, all the way across to here. That way the bike is kept level, and it's kept in accordance with where it's supposed to be with this stock tire right here, which is no longer made. The next measurement that we have to really be careful with is this width right here. On a stock gyro, it's about it's a little over 5 inches. This one is a little over 6 inches. And it looks a lot different. But because we need the 6 inches right here to make sure that it fits underneath the stock canopy. And this rear canopy, if you'll notice, that is just a little bitch. I mean, I'm really pushing it with these tires. But I'm going to take my rims here, my rims that I've painted. And they have 3 bolts, which are 12s that go in here, and they have 3 bolts that are 14 that go on the other side. So we have 3 that go in the front, and these are 14 millimeter, and 3 that go in the back of the rims, which are 12. Then you're supposed to only give it 11 pounds of pressure. But this is for everyone that wants to figure out how to put on replacement gyro tires to see if they'll actually fit and why they'll fit. Okay, like I said, I'm not sure if they'll fit. I need to put both these on here. It looks good so far, but it looks good so far, that's all I can say. But here in an hour, I'll have this tire set up. This is a Carlisle 2-ply Turf Saver tire. And I guess you can get it in 4-ply. It's tubeless, but I used the inner tube that came with the stock Gyro tire, and it worked fine. So I'm going to put these rims together, put a little air in them, and put them on the bike and see how well it looks with the canopy. And hopefully it will work and be usable and look, it won't look half-assed.